Statement of cell theory. Number 1. Living things are composed of minute units. The cell, which are the smallest entities that can be called living. Number 2. A cell is a mass of protoplasm, contain nucleus and bounded by a cell membrane and in many cases by a cell wall also. Number 3. All cells are basically alike in structure and metabolic activities. Number 4. The function of an organism, a whole, is the result of the activities and interactions of the constituent cells. You know, different types of cell organelles are present in a plant cell. Number 1. Nucleolus. The nucleolus is a round body located inside the nucleus of eukaryotic cell. It is not surrounded by a membrane but sits in the nucleus. The nucleolus makes ribosomal subunits from protein and ribosomal RNA, also known as rRNA. Number 2. Nucleus. You know, the nucleus is a highly specialized organelle that serves as the information and administrative center of the cell. The organelle has two major functions. The spherical nucleus occupies about 10% of a cell's volume, making it in the cell's most prominent feature. Number 3. Ribosome. While examining the animal and plant cell through a microscope, we might have seen numerous organelles that work together to complete the cell activities. Ribosomes are in charge of protein synthesis. So it is very important organelles of a plant cell. Number 4. Fascicle. In cell biology, a fascicle is a large structure within a cell or extracellular consisting of liquid enclosed by a lipid bilayer. Fascicles form naturally during the processes of secretion, uptake, and transport of materials within the plasma membrane. Number 5. Area. The full form of area is rough endoplasmic reticulum, is an organelle found in both eukaryotic animal and plant cells. The main function of area. The main function of area is to produce proteins. It is made up of cisternae, tubules, and fascicles. The cisternae are made up of flattened membrane discs which are involved in the modifications of proteins. Number 6. Golgi Apparatus. It receives proteins and lipids from rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is RER. It modifies some of them and such concentrates and picks them into chill droplets called fascicles. Number 7. Cytoskeleton. The plant cytoskeleton is the network of protein filaments, microtubules, and interconnecting filaments. Microtubules and interconnecting filaments bridges that give structure and organization to the cytoplasm of the plant cell. Number 8. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is an organelle found in both animal cells and plant cells. The main function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to make cellular products like hormones and lipids.